Hello everyone, what is the difference between Kotlin and Java? Let's explain this. Kotlin is a new language created by JetBrains and officially supported by Google. It is designed to be a concise, expressive language, and also it offers modern features such as null safety, lambda expressions. It is also a cross-platform language which supports Android, iOS, and even more. Now let's explain Java. Java is an older language. It is a very popular language, but it has some drawbacks like verbosity, null pointer exceptions, lack of functional programming features, and slow innovation. I prefer you to work in the Kotlin because it is supported by Google. Let's work on the Android Studio. I have two classes, main activity and main activity 2.kta. One class is Java and the second class is in the Kotlin. So let's create an example. I will create a button, match parent, wrap content. I will set the text of button 1, and top to top of parent. Let's create an ID for this button 1. It should be the ID of this button. Let's copy the code and paste it in the activity 2. I will change button 1 to button 2 to make some difference between the first and second activity. Our layout is now ready. You can see button 1 and button 2. Let's come to the code. First, we will create a button in the Java class. Button is equal to find view by ID r.id.button1 semicolon at the end of the code. Button.sit on click listener, new view.onClickListener. Let's create a simple toast message. Toast main activity.this button 1 is clicked. Let's head to the Kotlin class. In a Kotlin class we use vol button. So now button is equal to find view by ID r.id button 2. We do not need any semicolon in the Kotlin. Button.sit on click listener. I will remove these two and let's create a toast message. Toast.make text this at main activity 2 button 2 clicked. Now toast.length shirt and .show. So our program is going to be ready. This is a code for button click listener in the Java, and this is the code for click listener or a button in the Kotlin. Now let's launch our app on our phone. Make sure your phone is connected to your computer. You can see there my device is connected. Then click on run. So you see that our app is building and launching on device. App is now launched. Let's check the phone. You can see that when I click on the toast, it shows a message. Remember that we only checked the code of button 1. Button 1 is clicked in the Java. The code of Kotlin is left. That's because we did not launch the activity. You can see here main activity, which is launcher activity in my application. I can change the launcher activity by copying and pasting the code there. So this was the difference between Kotlin and Java. Hope you learned something from my video. Goodbye.